2015 Chevy Volt cabin air filter. What you want to do is open this here. There's a little pad right here. Take this out. Choose your fingers, pull that out. And then there's a panel right here. You can pull this out, just squeeze this down. It'll come forward. Pull this out. And then there's your cabin filter door right there. What you want to do is, there's these tabs on the side. You push them over. And then you could take the door off. Just push the tab gently, careful not to break it. You just push it out like that. And there's this one on top. You want to just gently pull that down. Airflow is going down, it says. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay, got my new one here. Here's the part number. Here's the airflow direction, and just what we're gonna do is just slide this back in here like that, and then just push it up. Boom, like that. And then this part goes back in first. It has these tabs on the bottom. Just line up these tabs. Like that. And then just that'll go in. Sorry guys, I know it's kind of auto-focusing. And then we'll put this in. And then boom. Done.